Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new video, and just in is the all-new Liberty Air 2 Pro from Soundcore, which was just announced the other day. So these are hybrid ANC, pure no technology, 26 hours total playtime, and wireless charging, which is really cool. So on the side here, it gives you a look at the drivers technology there. Pure no technology drivers with 10 hardened nano layers, generating stunning accuracy and clarity. And on this side here, 10 Grammy winning artists and musicians, which recommend them as well, and 5 stars. And on the back it tells us some more. You've got your app on the iOS and Android, which is good. So you've got the Hear ID personalization sound. You've clear calls via 6 noise cancelling mics, 7 hours playtime, 26 with charging case, and that's pretty much it there. And you've got all them features to consider, and then it just tells you what's inside the box. So we're going to have a look at that anyway. When you open up the box, this is what you get here, which is a really nice presentation. And again, it just tells you some more for transport, indoor and outdoor use. So outdoor is reduces ambient sound, indoor eliminates voices and mid-frequency noise from coffee shops and inside spaces. Transport targets low-end frequencies like engine and road noise for serene journeys and commutes. And that's pretty much it on the specifications end of it for now. Anyway, so let's have a look at them. So they come in this nicely presented package, and we'll take out them first. So you've got touch controls on the earbuds, which we're gonna see if this pops out now. And we're almost there. So we have some information booklets. You have got your cable with USB-C charging, which is nice. And you also get all these earbuds inside, ear tips, which is really nice as well. So you've got different sizes: medium, large, extra small and small. So you have got everything you would expect to find. And I just want to see if there's anything else in this. And it doesn't appear to be anything else in that, just a foam. So we'll remove the earbuds, that's one, and very, very well secured. And that's the other. So on to the case first. The case has a lovely smooth finish, really, really nice. You've got your LEDs up front, USB-C in the back, and you've got a button there as well. So that's what the case looks like there, and if the LEDs come on, slides open like so. Really cool, really nice case. So then you have your buds. So I'm just going to pop these in and see what they look like inside. So your buds are going to look like that inside the case, and you will close down and you have your charging light come on there. So let's have a look at the actual earbuds themselves. So that's them there, and that's what they look like here from the back. The charging points there, and some mics on the bottom, and that's what they look like from the top. I'm going to quickly put them in. Feel real comfortable, not moving, go nowhere, and give you good noise isolation when you put them in immediately. But if you look up closely, you can have a look there. So, and you can have a look at this. So that's what they're going to look like. You've another mic up on top there. So pretty nice design, nice and clean, all touch controls, and look rather well. And that's what they're going to look like in the box there. And it's a really nice case as well, really smooth with the logo up top too, and very pocketable if you want to call it, indeed. So I like these kind of cases. This is really nice. Again, you've got wireless charging as well, which is excellent. And we'll have a quick look at the book and see if you get any stickers or anything like that. So you get this card and your quick start guides, and that's basically it in there for now. So any questions, hit us up. We'll have these and test them out for a while and see how they sound. So we'll have a review pretty soon. So any questions, feel free to ask, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. And if you want to see anything else, hit us up and we'll certainly get on top of it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.